Hi friends, I can't do this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me put these back. I am having a time. I've only got these pieces left. 3 holes here and this. And I can't do this. Oh my gosh. No, that doesn't go there. I am having a hard time. Here's what the whole picture is. And it's been tough, some of it. It was fun though. But now, yeah, until it wasn't. Now, oh my gosh. Oh, I think we got one there. So maybe I can find this speckled stuff more. There we go. Jeez. It's not easy. I will be glad when this is finished. And I have another one waiting. There we go. For fall. Does that go in there? See, it's hard to see this too. It's hard to see if they fit. And I've been putting one in, taking one out. Because I can't. They're in the wrong place and I can't see them good. Maybe it doesn't help at night. Well, I'm glad you stopped by. I will show you a completed of this when I get there. It's not so easy, but at any rate, this is where I'm at now. See y'all later.